Today we will discuss the example on linear transformations, standard matrix form. Screen दिसते सर्वांना? स्क्रीन दिसते का? This is the last lecture for Unit 3 and we'll finish syllabus today. Okay. So write example till then. Till then you can mark your attendance by putting roll number underscore your full name. I'll write example. Consider the linear transformation. Consider linear transformation from P2. P2 stands for set of all polynomials of degree at most 2 with real coefficients P2 to P2 for which T of one image of 1 is 1 plus x. Then T of x, its image is 3 minus x square. T of x square, its image is 4 plus 2x minus 3x square. Find formula for T of a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and use this formula to find T of 2 minus 2x plus 3x square. Okay, you can read the example. Polynomial vector space आहे set of all polynomials of degree at most 2 and this 1x, okay, I'll write what is P2 first. P2 is a naught plus a1x plus a2x square such that the constants a naught, a1, a2 are from real number. And you are given that T from this P2 to P2, which is defined as or defined by, not defined by its standard basis or given basis for this set is 1x x square, because every polynomial we required the constant 1 x we required and x square term we required. So this is this we can call standard basis for this polynomial. So image of 1 is given as 1 plus x. Image of x, it is given as 3 minus x square, and image of x square. So 1x and x square are the standard basis for this P2. Image of x square is 4 plus 2x minus 3x square. So what is asked? It is asked that find the formula for this. So suppose P of x is this polynomial a naught plus a1x plus a2x square. This is polynomial from P2. We need to find what is T of P of x, and T is linear transformation, it is given. So T of a naught plus a1x plus a2x square. Since T being linear transformations, a naught, a1, a2 are the scalars, they are real numbers. You can write this as T is linear transformations, scalar can be taken out. It is a naught can be written as a naught into 1, a1 into T of x. 1x and x square are the standard vectors for this polynomial set. Okay, you know the image of 1. What is image of 1? It is 1 plus x defined. What is image of x? It is given as 3 minus x square. And image of x square is 4 plus 2x minus 3x. And this we need to simplify now. We need to find constant term. Okay. I'll get the constant term first. This a naught into 1, a naught into 3, that is 3 a naught, and a2 into 4, that is 4 a2. This is a constant term. Now we'll write coefficient of x, it is a naught into x, so x is common. No a1 coefficient, it is 2a2 plus 2a2, x is common. Last, coefficient of x square. इथे x square नाही आहे, इथे मात्र x square आहे. तो आहे minus a1 आणि शेवटी minus 3a2. So this is the T of P of x. This is general T of P of x. Now we need to find, can treat it as a formula. We need to find that what will be the image of this. 2 minus 2x plus 3x square. So its image will be T of, I'll write 2 times 1, so it is T of 1 minus 2 times T of x plus 3 times T of x square. And just put the value of image of 1. Image of 1 is 1 plus x. Image of x is 3 minus x square. And image of x square is 4 plus 2x minus 3x square. After simplification, we get like this. You can easily check. So this is the transformation from P2 to P2, given determined by the basis 1 x and x square. P2 has basis 1 x square. P2 has dimension 3. Keep in mind, Pn has dimension n plus 1, as we are discussing the unit number 1. Okay, we'll look some exercise example here. Find the standard matrix. Find standard matrix for the linear transformation T. In each case, so first T of x comma y is 2x minus y and x plus y. Okay, I'll write one by one. त्याचं स्टँडर्ड मॅट्रिक्स काढायचं आपल्याला. स्टँडर्ड मॅट्रिक्स काढायचं म्हणजे काय, आता आपल्याला टी हा कसा दिलेला आहे, टी इज अ लिनियर ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम R2 to R2. You can see this is 2 tuple and image is also of 2 tuple, so it is R2 to R2 defined by using this formula. Standard basis for R2 कोण सांगेल मला? स्टँडर्ड बेसिस फॉर R2 सांगा कोणतरी. R2 चे स्टँडर्ड बेसिस, स्टँडर्ड वेक्टर्स जे बेसिस आपण त्याला स्टँडर्ड बेसिस म्हणतो. कोणतरी बोला अनम्यूट करून. पहिला स्टँडर्ड वेक्टर E1 ने डिनोट करेल मी, दुसरा स्टँडर्ड वेक्टर E2 ने डिनोट करेल. R2 चे डायमेन्शन 2 आहे, तर बेसिस मध्ये 2 एलिमेंट्स पाहिजेत. हा बोला दळवे. श्रुती फड अनम्यूट करून बोला. वैष्णवी गवळी. दळवे गोरखनाथ कुठे गेला? दळवे गोरखनाथ. मी कोण बोललं नाही तर मीटिंग एंड करेल मी. सिलेबस संपलं जाहीर करेल. सिलेबस संपलेला आपला.
1001.
ओके, कोण बोल रहा है? 10 श्वेता. ओके 1001. So I will write T of, now you should write in column form. T of E1 I will write in column form. It is वन इमेज ऑफ 1 0 म्हणजे व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x इज 1 y इज 0 त्या ठिकाणी पुट करायचं आपल्याला इथं. म्हणजे याला कॉलम फॉर्म मध्ये लिहू शकतो आपण कसं एक्स वाय ची एक्स वाय हा कॉलम कुठे जाईल 2x मायनस वाय आणि x प्लस 2y. वाटल्यास या ठिकाणी परत एकदा इमेज लिहितो मी आणि हे लिनियर ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आहे. टी ऑफ एक्स वाय याची इमेज आपल्याला दिलेली आहे एक्स मायनस वाय एक्स प्लस. So we need to find T of E1 as a column vector. So x is 1, y is 0. So it is 2 comma 1. And what will be the image of T of E2? X is 0, y is 1. So it is minus 1 plus 1. So matrix of T with respect to this standard basis will be denoted by this. And first column is T of E1. Second column is T of E2. That standard matrix is 2, 1, minus 1, 1. स्टँडर्ड बेसिसची इमेज काढायची त्या ठिकाणी. आता दुसरं लिनियर ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन तुम्ही मला मॅट्रिक्स सांगू शकता काय येईल ते. मी फक्त मॅट्रिक्स लिनियर ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन देतो कोणता आहे ते. आता एक्स वाय झेड म्हणजे R3 पासून इमेज आहे तिची डोमेन मध्ये R3 आहे आणि को डोमेन मध्ये पण को डोमेन हा R2 आहे. एक्स प्लस 2y प्लस झेड एक्स प्लस 5y. ओके को डोमेन इज ऑल्सो R3 कॉमा झेड. हे लिनियर ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन R3 to R3 असं आहे. याचं स्टँडर्ड बेसिस काय आहेत E1. E1 म्हणजे फर्स्ट प्लेस 1 and there are 3 places, rest place will be 0. E2, this will be the another vector and the last vector is this. Okay, just we need to find what is T of E1. So you are given that T of XYZ is x plus 2y plus z x plus 5y. You can write matrix form directly AX. That A will be called standard matrix for this. But anyway, you should, as per the MCQ is concerned, you can write directly. But while solving, you need to write image of T of E1, T of E2, and so. So this is T of E1, T of E2, and T of E3 is the last. So just put x equal to 1, rest all 0 in this. X is 1, x is 1, rest thing will be 0. Y is 1, y is 1, rest thing will be 0. Z is 1, 1, 0. Okay. So standard matrix of T will be denoted by this with respect to basis B, called basis B for the standard. So first column will be the first image of E1, second will be the image of E2, and third will be the image of E3. So this is the standard matrix for this linear transformation. There are another, okay, कोणतरी आता मला याचा आन्सर सांगा पुढच्याचं. सिंपल एक्झाम्पल लिहितोय तुम्ही. Standard matrix for this. Anybody? Okay, I should write linear transformation XY. The standard matrix सांगा मला. XY to XY is गेलेला आहे. Identity matrix येईल त्याचा 2 by 2 ऑर्डर. 1 0 ची इमेज 1 0 0 1 ची इमेज 0 1. पुढचं तुम्हीच करा. आणखी पेज नंबर 170 वरती एक्सरसाइज 5 आहे ती पहा. शेवटची एक्सरसाइज घेतो आपण या ठिकाणी. Find the standard matrix for T and use that matrix to find rank and nullity of T. Okay. याचे हे C आणि D तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता इझिली. Find standard matrix, the standard matrix. Find the standard matrix for T and use it and use it to find rank and nullity. Use it to find rank and nullity of T. I'll take one example, rest example you can try. So definitely domain is R3. Okay, it's R4. T of X, Y, Z, W. And image is X minus 2Y plus Z plus 3W. Next 2X plus Y plus 4W. 2X plus Y plus 4W. Plus two components I should write here. Minus X minus 3Y plus Z minus W. So it is R4 to R4. 3X plus 3Y plus Z plus 7W. दुसरा बी पार्ट पेज नंबर 171 तुम्ही घ्या. आपण ह्याचं स्टँडर्ड मॅट्रिक्स काढायचं आपल्याला. T is a transformation from vector space R4 to R4 defined by T of X, Y, Z, W. This is a vector from any vector from R4 and its image. It is X minus 2Y plus Z plus 3W. Second element 2X plus Y, 2X plus Y plus 4W minus X minus 3Y plus Z minus W. And the last row is 3X plus 3Y plus Z plus 7W. Okay. So what is standard basis for R4? E1. It is 1, 0, 0, 0. E2 is 0, 1, 0, 0. E3 is 0, 0, 1, 0. And E4 is, since R4 is dimension 1, any basis of it should consist of 4 vectors. So this is basis which is standard form basis. So matrix of this T with respect to basis will be called as standard basis. First will be T of E1, second will be T of E2, second column, third column will be T of E3, and fourth column will be T of E4. हा मॅट्रिक्स काढल्यानंतर याची रँक आणि नलिटी तुम्ही काढायची. हे एक्सरसाइज तुम्हाला पुढे. Find the rank and nullity of this matrix. Okay, I can write this matrix directly. One can say what are the entries of this matrix. Okay, T of E1, X equal to 1 raised all 0. X equal to 1 raised all 0. So it is 1, 2, minus 1, 3. 1, 2, minus 1, 3. In the second column, Y is 1 raised all 0. So minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3. Minus 2, 1, minus 3, 3. In the third, E3, Z is 1 raised all 0. So it is 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. And in the last, W is 1 and rest all 0. So 3, 4, minus 1, 7. 3, 4, minus 1, 7. So this is the matrix of T. So first it was asked that find the standard matrix. So this is standard matrix. This is standard matrix. And now we need to find rank and nullity of this. Once you find rank, how you find nullity? एक तर rank कळाली आपल्याला. Rank त्याची R कळाली. तर nullity काय असते? N minus R. This N stands for number of columns. Dimension of domain. That is 4. So it is 4 minus R. The rank तुम्ही आता याचा रो echelon form convert करा. Convert this matrix into row echelon form. If its rank is R, then nullity should be 4 minus R. As 4 number of columns, dimension of domain has 4. Both codomain and domain are same here. So its dimension is and nullity is 4 minus the rank of that matrix. Okay, fine, Karan. Okay, I can tell the answer of this. रँक फाइंड करू शकता तुम्ही? फाइंड रँक ऑफ दिस.